Okay. Okay, are we live? Alright, so hello everyone, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live. Today we're gonna be doing something basics and simple. Gonna start with the default cube and we're gonna do some random geometry nodes creation. So first of all, we're gonna be using our very useful points geometry or points node, and we're gonna scatter it using random value. It's just vector. For this node, we're gonna plug in some random positions. We're gonna create more points. We're gonna randomize the points using noise, and we're gonna first normalize this noise, and let's just use transform. Plug this into the translate. Okay, doesn't quite work. Okay, I know. We need to use vector math over here. Plug this here. Scale the noise. Oh, that's interesting. Doesn't quite work. Okay. Vector color multiply. It's interesting. Oh, okay, we need to plug in the position. It's weird. File, save as, it's probably a bug. Maybe we need to plug in random value here. Now it's working. Wow. Interesting. Just time. Plug this into W. It's too fast. This second. Okay. Now it's working. Right. I'm gonna turn this into something that can be rendered. Actually, you can render this already if you're using cycles, and each of the dots is gonna be a sphere. And you can use random value, plug into the radius. So yeah, super basic, but it seems to be working. You can also use point to volume to mesh, just to make it so it's becoming like a mesh that you can render. And we want to smooth this, and perhaps use set material at the end. Yeah, just give it a material. Now we have this kind of random looking creations. You can further randomize the noise if you want to, while I think the random value radius also needs to be plugged into this guy over here. Control the minimum and maximum, so we have some kind of MetaBalls happening. Okay, so that's basically today's random tutorial today via BSLIVE. Hopefully you find it useful. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.